Welcome everyone. In today's video, these Spanish-style solid oak barrel chairs are getting the royal treatment. So get comfy and join me on today's episode. My name is Katarina, and I live in a small town in beautiful northern Alberta. I restore and refinish furniture, both for myself and for clients. Welcome to my shop. So full disclosure, I don't have any video of me taking the old fabric and foam off of the chair. So I used a couple of still images to help you visualize what the before looked like. No word of a lie, the webbing was literally crumbling in my fingers when I dismantled this. So it was especially important that I replace the furniture webbing with something durable and long-lasting, and that's exactly what you'll see me doing here. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to add furniture webbing, please click here. A little bit of history for you. A barrel chair is a chair with a curved backrest that can serve as a kind of armchair or be part of a set of chairs. It can also be referred to as a tub chair, and the barrel chair takes its name from the overall shape of its body. In 1937, famed 20th century architect Frank Lloyd Wright named the chair design the barrel chair. Interestingly, barrel chairs and the construction ideas underlying them have been around in some way, shape, or form for millennia. The curved wood and chairs intuitively belong together. It's no wonder that this particular style has remained a favorite. These chairs belong to my client who had them sitting in her barn for about a year before me getting my hands on them to refinish them for her. The dark stain and the really awful looking fabric did not do these chairs any justice at all. A very dear friend of mine helped me out with this part of the project. She is a very skilled seamstress. She makes purses, she makes clothing. She is absolutely phenomenal at what she does. And she was able to help me put together the cushions by sewing them and getting them ready for me. If you want, she is a local small business here in Valley View. Please check out her page, give her a like, give her a follow, buy a purse, whatever you like. But she's fantastic and she did such a phenomenal job for me. And I can't wait for the client to see the end result of her work. Something that I remind myself every day, and I try to teach my children as well, is that I don't need to know it all. That it's okay to ask for help and to seek out the knowledge from those who can do something that I can't yet do, so that I can do it later in the future. Adding decorative nails to furniture is the same thing as a woman wearing jewelry. These are the jewels of the furniture world, and they help to take a piece from, oh, that's nice, to, oh my God, that looks amazing, which is exactly what I want to do with these chairs. For a step-by-step tutorial, check out this video here. In total, the chairs had 32 spindles, 16 on each, 8 on the top row and then 8 on the bottom. Between the Dremel, my surf prep sander, and hand sanding, I had definitely reached my sanding threshold with these chairs. For anyone who is watching who can relate, please leave me a comment below. I went through 2 pairs of gloves doing all the sanding for this project. But it was worth it because at the end of the day, these chairs came out beautifully. The client is so happy with how they look, and so am I. I'm so happy this project is finished. Please enjoy the after. But first, here's a reminder of what it looked like from before. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you on the next episode.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.